Chasing shadows in the night, hoping they'll lead me to the light. Every corner turns me around. I hear your name in the breeze so soft, a ghostly echo I can't shake off. But your voice is nowhere to be found. Every whisper feels like a spark, a tiny flame in the endless dark. Falling slow, like leaves in the wind, nowhere to go. Your love's the ground, but I'm still above. Falling slow into your love. The city hums a lonely tune, neon stars and a paper moon.